most expensive coffee in the world. Do you want to know why it's so expensive?
Yes.
Promise you will still drink it.
Okay.
Sounds ominous.
They have these 20 elephants in Thailand digest the beans and then they grab it out of their poop.
So this is poop coffee.
I love coffee. Don't ruin this for me. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Everyone, cheers. Yum.
I just don't like coffee.
I don't hate it. I kind of like it, yeah.
No one's developed a taste for it.
No one likes poop.
No, you want to get it from the source?